right there. You put this on and I've got my shoes already.
Did it work?
Because I think it's because of tongue weight.
Yeah.
It's got a little too heavy, so it lifts up the.
It leaves the front.
Yeah, that's what I think.
That
You
wasn't
want
so bad.
your water's back here.
Yeah, I was gonna grab that.
That can't be in the voiceover. That can't be in the
So we just came back from this fishing trip. What's the best thing about living in Florida?
Bro, it's the ability to do what we just did. We got away from 10 million people and we went out to the ocean and there was only 3 of
Today's
us.
Friday. It's not that busy. Over the weekend will be
The weekend
crazy.
will be a little crazy. When it's beautiful weather like this.
He still has the plastic.
Yeah.
brand new truck.
Look, bro, it's still out plastic. We can't get no, we're not taking it off.
You can sell it as a new one.
Exactly.
And then when you go out, people are very enthusiastic and everybody's happy and all that. But the problem is when you come back, right?
When you come back,
happens?
well,
What's the problem? What's the etiquette? What should people do?
What you should do is just focus on with how much fun you had, and not focus on the work it takes to have fun.
Yeah.
Because you have to work to have fun, and
So-
that's part of the process.
So preparing the boat takes what, 30-40 minutes?
Depends on the size of the boat. This one takes 30 minutes. The big one takes an hour.
And then like
That all depends. If
Yeah.
we're moving fast, this one.
yeah,
we could
and
get
if you
out
know what
fast.
you're doing.
Yeah,
Exactly.
we could go fast.
And what about the coming back, cleaning up and all that the same?
30 minutes. That's the best part about
depends.
spearfishing. You really don't put any blood on the boat
Yeah.
because you clean the
But
fish in the water.
still you have to clean the boat and everything.
30-40 minutes. But I don't focus on that because I have focused on what a great day we had today.
Yeah, but if people leave you, like if I leave and I don't help
If you
you,
leave, then you don't come.
I'll
You
never
don't come
I'll
back.
never be
You
back.
don't come back.
Okay, I'll help you. Let's go.
If you don't participate,
What was that?
it's part of the process. You have to help. If not, you don't come back.
Complete, and it's like the whole experience. You
Yes,
learn something
exactly.
too, right?
Everybody helps.
So here we are, and now Let's clean the boat. And this is how you back it up, like an expert. I couldn't do it.
We're good. We're good. Slow down. You got 5 more feet. That's good enough.
Oh, you didn't tell it. You
No,
how you
that's
come.
good.
We got not a lot, but good for some dinner tonight.
You know, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want it to help clean real quick.
Okay. Let's wait. Well,
Oh no, see that's no good. That's not.
ooh, look at that. Catch of the day.
Exactly.
Okay.
Listen, hey, no problem, man.
Thank you. Bye, Emily. Emily. Bye, my girl. Okay, man. Thank you.